Hello, my Biblio darlings. It's so good to see you. Welcome to Bibliothesia. And in case we haven't met before, my name is Mally. And the story we're going to be reading today is called My Heart Fills with Happiness. And let's think about that for a bit. My heart fills with happiness. Have you ever thought of what makes your heart fill with happiness? I have. And spending time with you is one of them. So before we read My Heart Fills with Happiness, I'm going to read to you some jokes. Are you ready? Here's the first one. Does anyone know where those lost cows are? Nobody's heard. Like a herd of cows? Okay. Oh, here's the next one. A pig, a cow, and a chicken held up a bank. How did they get caught? The pig squealed. Pig squeal? Okay. Oh, what did the chicken say after it laid a square egg? Ouch. Because chickens normally lay oval shaped eggs. I'm hoping your body is more relaxed after hearing the jokes. And let's read My Heart Fills with Happiness. What a beautiful cover. The art is exquisite. There's a yellow background and there's a girl with her arms out and she's looking up and it looks like she's wearing a beautiful dark blue dress. And there's beautiful flowers all around her. My heart fills with happiness. And here's what the dedication has to say. Oh, and it's very touching. This book is dedicated to the former residential school students and their families. May you find what you seek. And to my niece, Brianna Dobmere, thank you for filling our family's hearts with happiness. MGS. And the other person has written for A and C and S. JF. What a beautiful dedication. My Heart Fills with Happiness, and it's written by Monique Ray Smith, illustrations by Julie Flett. My heart fills with happiness when I see the face of someone I love. It looks like there's a mama and her child. I'm wondering, does your heart fill with happiness when you see the face of someone you love? Beautiful picture. Oh, look at this one. I smell bannock baking in the oven. And it looks like there's children in a kitchen. It looks like there's a little puppy on a rug. And there's red oven gloves. Oh, and they're waiting for the bannock or the beautiful bread to bake in the oven. Do you get happy when there's things baking in the oven and they're going to taste so delicious? My heart fills with happiness when I sing. And it looks like there's a big person and a little person sitting on a bench outside. And the big person is playing a guitar. And they're both singing. I'm wondering, does your heart fill with happiness when you sing? My heart fills with happiness when I sing. But other people who listen to me, their hearts don't fill with happiness because I sing so off key. But, that's another story altogether. But I feel so happy when I sing. And here is the same picture of the little girl. With her arms out and her face is up towards the sky and there's flowers all around her. My heart fills with happiness when I feel the sun dancing on my cheeks. Does that happen for you? Do you feel happiness when you put your face up to the sun and you feel the sun's rays and warmth on your cheek or cheeks? Always remember that what has happened to you, you have no control over. But what you do have control over is the breath in your body and what you're able to feel. I mean, imagine having big feelings and you suddenly pause. There's the sun, and you could feel the sun rays and the warmth on your cheeks. Would that make your heart fill with happiness? This picture is beautiful of the little girl. When I walk barefoot on the grass, here's a little boy holding a flower. It looks like a daisy. And the boy has bare feet. And it looks like he has a smile on his face. Looks like there's a dragonfly beside him. Looks like there's beautiful flowers in front. There's another dragonfly close by as well. So, have you ever walked barefoot on the grass? And what was that like for you? Did it bring you happiness? Oh, my heart fills with happiness when I dance. Does your heart fill with happiness when you dance? And it looks like this young person has on a beautiful skirt and a shirt. And the skirt is orange or koala alice, and pink, which is pink, is quemulas. And it looks like there's a shawl or a blanket on her. She looks so happy. Does your heart fill with happiness when you dance? Here it looks like there's a little girl and an adult, and they're walking together hand in hand. My heart fills with happiness when I hold the hand of someone I love. It does for me when I hold my child's hand in my hand. My child who's now taller than me. She'll always be my baby. Or when I hold my husband's hand. Or when I hug my soul sister or a dear friend. That makes my heart very happy. My heart fills with happiness when I listen to stories and it looks like there's an older person and a bird in the background and 3 small children there. Oh, and the girl that I'm seeing with the ponytails, it looks like she is smiling. Oh, my heart fills with happiness when I drum. Does your heart fill with happiness when you drum? It looks like there's a man. He's got his hair back like me, or me like him. And there's a little one on the man's lap, and it looks like they're both drumming and singing. And here's a little girl looking at herself in the mirror. And here's the question. What fills your heart with happiness? What fills it with happiness? Can you think of anything and write it in the comments below if you can think of anything? And here's the last page of a adult with a small child. They're holding up the small child, and it looked like they're looking at a whale. So I'm wondering, what fills your heart with happiness? What a beautiful and touching story. What did you think of it? Well, let's end our time together today with a deep breathing exercise. Are you ready? It's a 4-4-8 deep breathing exercise, meaning we're going to inhale for 4 counts, hold the breath for 4 counts, and then exhale out for 8. Ready? Let's inhale deeply for 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold it for Now pretend you're blowing out birthday candles for 8. Well, it's been so wonderful spending time with you today. As always, my heart fills with happiness. It really does. Spending time with you and reading a story and laughing and doing a deep breathing exercise. Well, remember to like and subscribe. And until next time, hey, with, see you later.